Right, welcome back to the channel. And oh, I've still got the cough, but I've been doing a bit of cleaning. I thought the cell neat deserved a little bit of a getting at after getting it a bit dirty lately, so I thought I'd just give you a little look around. I think it's looking really good. Not a full-on valet, as I would call it, but you know, more than just a wash. And it really is looking like, if I do say so myself, it looks like brand new. Marvellous. And considering the it has been used, as you well know. Let me just check the mileage now. Get the mileage on there. Let's have a look. 28. I don't know if you can see that. 2813. So we'll be on 3,000 miles soon. So considering, it's looking really, really nice. I said it's not perfect, it's not the sort of valet I'd give it if I was about to sell it, or I'd go really in depth. This is about, I'd say 3/4 of an hour it's taken me, whereas I put a full two or 3 hours into a bike if I was about to sell it privately. So that was absolutely like brand new. But as you can see, it's not far off. Not far off at all. So there we go. Hope you're well. That's all from me. Just a quickie. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.